Hello YouTubers, got one here, Dave's Gourmet Hurtin Jalapeno Hot Sauce. So green, it's obscene. And there you go, that's the label. Don't know how well it came out. Not a very hot sauce, but I don't guess it is, I don't know. There we go. It is obscenely green. Smells like jalapenos and vinegar. We'll give this a shot. Tastes jalapenos. A little bit of bite to it. Feel a little bit of heat. It's really pretty good. Very smooth consistency and texture to it. The ingredients are Chayote pulp or Chayote pulp, cayenne pepper pulp, leek, salt, fresh coriander, cane vinegar, jalapeno pepper pulp, garlic, lemon juice, acetic acid, citric acid, xanthan gum, and cumin. Yeah, the cayenne was right there. I could feel the immediate heat from the cayenne. As far as flavor goes, I could taste that it had lime in it. It had a citric-y kind of a citrus bite to it, so to speak. But it was good. It was good. I say lime, I should have said lemon, but it still had that kind of a citric bite to it. And it kind of, you know, it makes your mouth water, like a citrus, like lime or lemon or orange or any kind of juice that has a little bit of a bite to it like that will make you, I like kind of salivate a bit. It's got that going on. A little bit of a smoky flavor, but nothing in the ingredients made me think that it should taste smoky, but it kind of does. The cayenne pepper was it was definitely there. It kind of had a similar taste like Tabasco, but it wasn't there for very long. It was there and then it was gone. It's that quick. Good texture. I don't know what to really think about it being a Hurtin Jalapeno sauce, and jalapenos like the seventh or eighth ingredient on the ingredient list, but it tasted a little bit. It was definitely green, put it to you that way. Not a bad sauce. I mean, this little test sampler right here isn't enough to really experiment with too much, but not too terribly bad. As far as the heat goes, yeah, a little bit of a searing heat. Like, as soon as I, put it in my mouth, I felt it, the heat, but it didn't last long, maybe a minute, not even quite a minute, and It never built or anything, but my tongue stayed kind of warm, so yeah, it's pretty mild sauce, but pretty tasty actually. The last Dave's Gourmet that I think I posted, or I think the only one that I've posted before now, was the Insanity sauce, and yeah, just wasn't really that good. I'm not a big fan of extract stuff, but this isn't bad. Had a nice little blend of flavors going on there between the salt and everything. It was wasn't terribly salty, but you could taste the salt. But the salt actually brought the flavors out of the other ingredients instead of being up front like it is on a lot of sauces, where it's like vinegar and salt, and then you try to decide what kind of pepper it tastes like based on the heat, and whether it tastes veggie or fruity or whatever. But not bad. So here's Dave's Gourmet Hurtin Jalapeno hot sauce, and I'm not going to do the little 5-minute come back thing because it's really pretty much gone. There's no heat to it now at all, and I'll give it a shot. It's not half bad. I like it. A little two-parter going on right here. I did the Dave's Gourmet Hurtin Jalapeno hot sauce. So green, it's obscene. And it wasn't bad. Nice flavor to it. Nothing to complain about for sure. Had good texture. Wasn't very salty, wasn't real vinegary or nothing like that. Had a lot of chili flavor to it. It really wasn't bad. So we'll do the roasted garlic now. Dave's Gourmet. Roasted garlic. I don't know if you'll be able to read that or not. It's like focusing in on my face instead of the bottle. Even vampires love this sauce. Alright, so here we got Dave's Gourmet Roasted Garlic Hot Sauce. Do a spoonful. Spoon. Sauce. Sauce. Alright, there you go. Kind of thick but real creamy. Kind of blonde flavor. Blonde colored, I should say. Dripping off the spoon a little bit. There's the color of it. Yeah, let's give this a shot. Woo! Garlic a go-go. Wow! Lots of garlic. I instantly like this sauce. A little heat too. I feel it. It's hitting the tongue really strong. Not really too much to back of the throat, but it's really blasting the tongue. I feel it on the tongue really well. Garlic and salt. The mixture of the two is working really well with the vinegar, garlic, and salt. Then the chilies in there. I can taste those too, but none of it's overpowering it. It's all really working good together. This is actually, as far as Dave's Gourmet goes, the roasted garlic by far is my favorite as of yet. They make a lot of sauces, and I have yet to try a lot of them out, but this one's pretty good. I like this one. Wish this was a tiny little bottle, because I can see myself using this. Ingredients is red Tabasco pepper, pulp, pardon me, red Tabasco pepper pulp, salt, roasted garlic, acetic acid, and xanthan gum. Well, I thought I tasted vinegar in there, but apparently not. I tasted the salt, and I tasted the pepper. I definitely tasted the garlic. It's got a very good aftertaste to it. My mouth is just watering like crazy. It's very good. I like this stuff. Good blend of salt and garlic. And the Tabasco peppers have a nice bite to it. They really do. I'm going to do a 5-minute on this one. I'm going to give it, well, I say 5. I'm going to give it a couple of minutes. I'm going to come back to you, and I'm going to tell you how I feel about it. Because this one right here had a little bit of a little something going to it. Alright, so I did multiple sauces here. First one I did was the Hurtin Jalapeno hot sauce by Dave's Gourmet. And the second one I did was Dave's Gourmet Roasted Garlic. And between the two, I think I prefer the roasted garlic. Both of them were little test taste bottles. Nothing to them, very small little bottles, 0.75 ounces. I wiped out about half of them with a spoon, but not bad. The Hurtin Jalapeno, good flavor. Not very hot at all. Not much of a hot sauce, so to speak. Quote unquote. Ain't gonna burn you or nothing. But the roasted garlic had a little bit of heat to it. I was actually kind of impressed. I liked it. I really did. Well, this is a little double dipper that I decided I'd do out of nowhere, because you know what, these two have been sitting in the fridge a while. Did the insanity sauce, which was a little thing like this that I did for June, with a spoonful, and it was I'm not gonna say anything bad about it, but it wasn't spectacular. Too much of an extract flavor, chemical extract thing going. These two were good. I like these. Tell you what, the Hurtin Jalapeno, the roasted garlic, if I were to see both of these sitting beside each other, little 6-ounce bottle or whatever, I think I'd get the roasted garlic one. But there's a little more bite to it. Oh man, the garlic flavor was outstanding. It was smooth. It worked really well with all the other ingredients and everything. The Hurtin Jalapeno, I didn't really taste the peppers too much in it. It was mostly just kind of citric, that lemon juice kind of thing going. But well, there you have it. For the double dipper, Dave's Gourmet presents Hurtin Jalapeno and roasted garlic. I don't think you'll be disappointed if you try either one of them. So you see one of those on the rack, give it a shot. Think you'll like it. You find a use for it. Y'all have a good one.